Ladies, if you wear wigs, weaves, braids, or extensions,
and if you're tender-headed like me,
or tangled just like me,
or have thick hair like mine,
or hate giving your hair comb,
keep watching!
Hi guys, thanks for checking out another TM Hair Products video. This is the winning comment for the giveaway. The person that made this comment, please contact us at customerservice@tmhairproducts.com with your name, your YouTube name, your shipping address, and your email address. You have 24 hours to contact us with this information or we will pick another winner. You guys, this was so hard. Going through the comments, reading the comments, this was so hard. But what I am going to do is I am going to do giveaways again. I don't know if it'll be the same things, but I'm going to do some more giveaways. So if you are not in the comment section, if you don't comment, I don't know that you're there. So this wouldn't be the first time I've done a giveaway. This would be the biggest giveaway that I've done based on the comment section, but this isn't the first time that I've given away products. Just picking a comment out of the comment section and say, oh, you know, I like this comment, or my daughter's like, oh, this comment is cute or whatever, and we'll give away the product. So if you guys are not commenting in the comment section, we don't know that you're there. So if you want to be in the running or qualify for just a giveaway, no stress, no jumping through 10,000 hoops, just a simple giveaway. I like to make things simple. I like to make things easy. So if you guys want to be if you guys want to be, what's the word I'm looking for? If you want to be considered for the giveaway, if you guys are not in the comments section, I can't pull your comments. So for those of you who comment on videos and say, oh, I would love to try your products, or your products look like they'll work for my daughter's hair, they look like they'll work for my hair. If you're not in the comments section of the videos, then I cannot consider you. There have been other people, like I said, who've won a giveaway from us just by being in the comment section. They didn't have to do anything. They didn't have to jump through any hoops, just by being subscribed to us and making comments. And we just happen to see a comment, it was like, oh, this is funny, or this is cute, or this is whatever. And you're like, you know what? I like your comment. You're the winner. It's just that simple. So this is the winner. Again, you have 24 hours to contact us with your name, your YouTube name. If you reply, if you email us and tell us, oh, this is my comment, and you don't have your YouTube name for us to verify, I'm sorry, we will not be responding. You will be disqualified. So again, you respond with your name, your government name, your YouTube name, your mailing address, the address that you want the package shipped to, and your email address in case we need to contact you. Thank you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.